Today we're making a light, cheesy BCA Gougère, a classic French pastry that's perfect for snacking. So for today's Gougères, we're gonna need some water, some local butter, some beautiful BC eggs, flour, some grated Gruyere cheese, some nutmeg, and some grainy mustard. We're gonna start this incredible cheesy French recipe by making just a basic choux pastry. Some water, some local butter. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Good food does not have to be complicated. A few simple ingredients can easily make a fantastic snack or meal. Now that our water and our butter has come to a boil, we're gonna add our flour all at once. We're gonna mix. We're gonna hydrate all that flour. You're gonna get this big ball of dough, but don't worry, that's exactly what you're looking for. So we'll stir. We want to dry it out a little bit because eventually we're going to add our eggs. And the drier we make our dough, the better your Gougère is going to be. On a bit of a low heat, I'll just keep it moving. And there we have it. So I can see that there's a film building up on the bottom and the sides. That tells me we're ready to go. We're going to take this off the heat for about 5 minutes, let it cool down just a little bit, and we're going to add the eggs, which are going to bring all the magic. Cheese, nutmeg, some grainy mustard. All mixed in. So now at this point, we want to decide how big we want to make our Gougères. Today, I think we want to serve them as a nice little tea sandwich type style. So I'm just going to use a scoop. And the scoop's going to ensure that we have even portions of dough. And into a very hot oven for about 22 minutes. While our Gougères are cooking, I thought we'd make a nice kind of a French egg salad to go along. So we'll just start with our beautifully hard-boiled BC eggs, a little bit of mayo, good portion of Dijon mustard, country ham I've just diced up, some local chives, pepper, and just a little bit of salt. So let's give it a mix. Fresh out of the oven. So as we can see, what's happened is those eggs have done their job. They've caused a leavening. That steam has caused them to rise and then bake into these nice hollow little puffs that are perfect as is, or fill them with any of your favorite fillings. Airy, savory Gougères, fresh from the oven. Thanks for baking with me and BC Egg.